Auntie, you hot?
Yeah, it's pretty hot.
Why didn't you spray yourself with the hose?
Yeah, spray yourself down. She's right.
Yeah.
You got your camera out?
Yeah. Oh, recording. Look at that. No, calm down.
Change both your diapers?
Alex needs to change. Yes, look at that cute face. Woo! Look at this cute face. Cover that. Alright. Let's see. Look at this little one. Little one falling asleep.
Oh, sorry.
I had to soak into the tub this camping trip.
Oh, this is your first vlog?
No, well, yeah. This is my first vlog.
Well, you need some background. Tell.
Hurry up, Bella, get me.
Where are we? Where are we again? Where are we again?
Bumfuck nowhere.
Yep, there we are. There we are. Yep.
Cornfield.
Oh yeah, we did see those cornfields. And some goats.
And derelict train.
Yeah. Oh, thank you.
I wonder where that animal is.
We just saw dogs.
It's that way. We're downwind. The wind's going that way.
Alright,
Look
now
at the beautiful one. She fell asleep.
I'm gonna do spelling color.
Those two.
Hi!
Peace out. I keep covering it. Look at him.
Back up.
Look at him. Yes. Yes.
Are you gonna say where we're at? Viewers?
Yeah, I'm gonna do a one in the trailer. This cutie. He just soaked in. Look at those eyes. Viewers, I hate to brag all the time, but these twins have like the most beautiful eyes ever. And all three of my children are just like so dang beautiful.
Oh yeah?
Yes. Yes. We had to get his eyes. Such a cutie. He's gonna be a lady killer. Had to beat the women off of him. Yeah. Look at her.
Let's go out to that pier. See if we can jump in.
I'll leave you out to that. Yep, look at that look.
Party pooper.
I'm not as wild as you.
Gosh.
My baby. Come here,
Party
babies.
pooper.
Oh, look at
Party
him.
pooper. He knows about party pooping. He knows everything about pooping.
Just pooped on his towel.
He knows how to party too.
Woo! Look at
look.
that cutie.
He's already ready for Mardi Gras.
Throwing beads. Poor baby got dandruff like crazy.
He's a danderer. He's a dander. He's a handy dander. He's a Yankee Doodle dandy.
Hey, Alex.
Ellie. Oh.
So, are you enjoying camping? Yes.
Oh, did my mom text you back?
About what?
The video?
Yeah. Yeah. Hey, Allie Boo. Hi. Yes.
Are you gonna
Yes.
change?
Yes. I don't know if I'm still getting in the water. Hi,
You
Alex.
said it's blue water. Is it?
I don't know. I couldn't
It's
see.
dark.
I will see you later, peeps. Alright, so see you later. So see you later.
Get out of here.